Hi students, good morning to one and all. Myself Venkatesh. Today we are going to discuss about register allocation and assignment, at the same time dynamic programming code generation. Whereas coming to register allocation and assignment, generally instruction involving only register operands are shorter and faster than those involving memory operands. This also means that proper use of register help in generating the good code. Mainly this section present various strategies for deciding what values in a program should reside in registers. We can call it as a register allocation, and in which register each value should reside. This we can call it as a register assignment. One approach to register allocation and assignment is to assign specific value in an object program to certain registers. This approach has the advantage is that it simplifies the design of a compiler, whereas coming to disadvantage, it applied too strictly, that is, it uses registers inefficiently. Whereas next coming to now we are going to discuss various strategies used in register and assignment or global register allocation. Next one is register assignment for outer loops. Next one is register allocation by graph coloring. Next, first one is if you take global register allocation. Here, generating the code, the registers are used to hold the value for the duration of single block. All the live variables are stored at the end of each block. For the variables that are used consistently, we can allocate a specific set of registers. Hence, allocation of variables to specific registers that is consistent across the block boundaries is called as global register allocation. Next, whereas coming to there are some strategies adopted while doing the global register allocation. Those are generally the global register allocation has a strategy of storing the most frequently used variables in fixed registers throughout the loop. Another strategy is to assign some fixed number of global registers to hold the most active value in each inner loop. The registers not already allocated may be used to hold values local to 1 disk. In certain languages like C or Bliss, programmer can do the register allocation by using register declaration. Next, whereas coming to register assignment for outer loop. See here, major thing is if an outer loop L1 contain an inner loop L2, the names applied registers in L2 need not be allocated registers in L1, L2. However, if name X is allocated a register in loop L1 but not L2, we must store X on entrance to L2 and load X if we leave L2 and enter a block of L1, L2. Similarly, if we choose to allocate X a register in L2 but not in L1, must load X on entrance to L2 and store X on exit from L2. Next, whereas coming to register allocation by graph coloring. A register is needed for a computation, but all available registers are in use. The contents of one of the used register must be stored or spilled into a memory location in order to free up registers. Generally, graph coloring is a simple systematic technique for allocating registers and managing registers spill. In this majorly two passes. In this method we have two passes are used. In first one, target machine instruction are selected as though there were as infinite number of symbolic registers. In effect, names used in the intermediate code become names of registers and the three address statements become machine language statements. Second pass is for each procedure a register interference graph is constructed in which the nodes are symbolic registers and an edge connects two nodes if one is live at a point where the other is defined. Whereas coming to second topic is dynamic programming code generation. Generally, an algorithm based on the principle of dynamic programming can be used to extend the class of machine for which optimal code can be generated from expression tree in linear time. The dynamic programming algorithm applies to a broad class of registers machines with complex instruction sets. The dynamic programming algorithm can be used to generate code for any machine with R interchangeable registers R0, R1, R2 and so on, R-1 and load or store and operation instructions. For simplicity, we assume each instruction cost is 1 unit, although the dynamic programming algorithm can easily be modified to work even if each instruction has its own cost. Next, whereas coming to in this one, we are going to talk about contiguous evolution. So what is meant by contiguous evolution? See here, the dynamic programming algorithm partitions the problem of generating optimal code for an expression into the sub-problems of generating optimal code for the sub-expressions of the given expression. As a simple example, consider an expression E of the form E1 plus E2. An optimal program for E is formed by combining optimal programs for E1 and E2 in one or other order, followed by code to evaluate the operator plus. The subproblems of generating optimal code for E1 and E2 are solved simultaneously. An optimal program produced by the dynamic programming algorithm has an important property. It evaluates an expression E equal to E1 OP E2. E equal to E1 OP E2 contiguously. We can appreciate what this means by looking at the syntax tree T for E. That is OP, this is T1 and T2. Here T1 and T2 are trees for E1 and E2 respectively. Thank you very much.